Guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you quickly how to fix Temu app verification error. So guys, in your phone, just type in your app search Temu. After that, long press on it with your finger, go to information. And this will basically show you all the technical info of your Temu application. As you can see, the storage size, data usage, etc. And guys, in here, it's very simple fix. Firstly, the first thing you can try is to just delete the cache. So like that, clear cache. If it does not work, you need to press clear all data like this. I'm not going to press it because I don't want to be logged out of my account. But in your case, if you have the verification error, which I did not have, never, I'm not really sure why people have it. If you do have this error, clear all the data for the app. Do not uninstall the app, just clear all the data. After that, when you log in, everything will be erased. Everything will be basically starting from a new slate. You will need to, of course, log in with your credentials and your accounts once again. And after that, your verification should go smoothly. Guys, enjoy this video. Hopefully it really helps you out. I know it's a frustrating error to anyone. Enjoy the video, like and subscribe, guys. See you in the next one.